Why is a bet din essential for justice in Jewish law? Imagine a community where disputes are settled with fairness rooted in ancient wisdom. That's where a bet din plays a vital role in maintaining justice in Jewish life. A bet din, meaning house of judgment, is the official court that interprets and applies Torah law and ethics. It acts as the bridge between divine commandments and everyday life. This court ensures that conflicts, whether about money, marriage, or religious practices, are resolved according to Jewish principles. The Torah, the Jewish sacred text, commands communities to establish courts and appoint judges. In the book of Deuteronomy, it says that every city should have judges to uphold justice. This commandment makes the bet din a cornerstone of Jewish society. Historically, the highest bet din was the Sanhedrin in Jerusalem, made up of 71 sages. They handled civil, ritual, and even capital cases. Smaller communities had courts of 3 judges to keep justice accessible to everyone. One key reason a bet din is essential is because it applies Torah law to real-life situations. It resolves disputes about money, property, and family matters like marriage and divorce. For example, the bet din enforces the marriage contract called a ketuvah, which is a binding financial agreement unique to Jewish law. Civil courts often do not recognize this, so the bet din ensures these agreements are respected within the community. Another important function is overseeing religious and communal order. The bet din certifies kosher food, manages conversions, and handles divorce procedures. All these processes must meet strict halakhic standards, which are the legal codes derived from Torah law. This helps keep the community spiritually and ethically aligned with Jewish teachings. The authority of the bet din is final. Its rulings are based on centuries of tradition and divine commandments. This finality helps prevent ongoing disputes and promotes social harmony. People trust the court because it bases decisions on sacred texts and rabbinic interpretation. Today, bet din courts still operate in Israel and many Jewish communities worldwide. They are staffed by learned rabbis who specialize in Jewish law. They work alongside secular courts but focus on issues that are specifically governed by Halakhah. This preserves the unique legal and ethical identity of Jewish life. In essence, a bet din is essential because it makes divine law practical. It appoints judges to interpret and enforce Torah principles, creating a just society rooted in Jewish values. It keeps the community united and committed to living ethically according to the teachings of the Torah.